Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the size of the interface on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the Tools section, go to the first option, the Settings. At the left side on the screen, click to the Performance section, and the last option, the Interface, and here you can select small, medium, large, XL, XXL, or 3XL, and just select one and click that, for example the medium, and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.